one-way if statement. Selection control using one-way if statements. An if statement is a construct that enables a program to specify alternative paths of execution. A one-way if statement executes an action if and only if the condition is true. The syntax for a one-way if statement is shown below. First, we write if. In the brackets, we will write the Boolean expression or Boolean value. Then we open the curly braces, the block of code. There will be written one or more statements. And if this Boolean expression will be true, the program will execute these statements. But if this Boolean expression will be false, the program will just skip this block of code. In the next slide, we see the flowchart of the if statement. As you see, program starts here, and this is the Boolean expression. And if this Boolean expression will be true, the statement will be done. And if this Boolean expression will be false, the statement will be skipped by program. Let us see this in example. Example number 1. Here we have a scanner input and the integer number that we read from the console. Here we will check if this number is positive. To do that, I write here if and open brackets, and here the Boolean expression number greater than 0. Open the curly braces. Here we write the statement number and this statement will work if and only if the number will be greater than 0. If number will be smaller or equals to 0, the program will skip this part. So let's compile this. First, let us write a positive number. 9 is positive. And if we write here negative number, it will show nothing, yeah? Example number 2. If we want to check if this number is divisible by 3. We use this operator. And here, if this number is divisible by 3, let us print number is divisible. Look, if here number is positive and it is divisible by 3, these two statements will be executed. But if number will negative but still divisible by 3, it will just print this part, the second statement. Let's compile it and run. Here first I want to check both statements. Yeah, 9 is positive and 9 is divisible by 3. And if I enter, for example, 10, 9, look here, I printed only one line. The second statement was skipped by compiler. So if we enter the negative number but divisible by 3, let's see, here 9 minus 9 is divisible by 3 but it's not positive. This is the last example.